In today's world, where environmental sustainability is becoming increasingly crucial, creative and innovative solutions are being sought to address the challenges posed by waste and pollution. One such solution is the creation of Mandala Design Garden using plastic bottles in the community. This initiative not only helps in recycling plastic waste, but also fosters community engagement, beautifies the surroundings, and promotes mindfulness and relaxation through the creation of mandala art. A mandala is a geometric pattern that represents the universe in Hindu and Buddhist symbolism. It is often used in spiritual practices as a tool for meditation and self-expression. By incorporating mandala design into a garden made from recycled plastic bottles, we can transform a mundane space into a vibrant and meaningful one that invokes a sense of peace and harmony.
Alam mo, ano ba itong talong? Tingin ginatag.
Oo.
May nag-post na sa ako naman niya. Nagawa tayo doon ng talong kung may bunga.
Umayag.
Harvest na doon gani. Ako na, sige rin talaga mga ano na. December lang.
Ano gusto ko?
November, December, January, February. 3 months?
Oo.
Hindi ay, di ba na-layout naman yun?
Bagay na layout naman.
Pag-layout ng mga gabukol, itampok ko sa itong garden.
To create a mandala design garden using plastic bottles in our community, the first step is to collect significant amount of plastic bottles. This can be done through community cleanup drives, school programs, and partnership with local businesses. The next step is to plan the layout of the garden and design the mandalas and choose the plants we're going to grow. Brainstorming of ideas and making sketch design made it easier to see the overall vision of the garden. Creating a mandala design garden using plastic bottles in the community is a powerful way to address environmental issues, promote community engagement, and enhance the well-being of individuals. By transforming waste into art, we not only beautify our surroundings, but also inspire others to think creatively and sustainability. This initiative highlights the transformative power of art and community collaboration in creating positive change in the world.
Una nga plat, alubate. May islan man gyapon ha.
Please like and share this video to spread awareness about recycling and community projects. Subscribe for more inspiring content on sustainability, creativity, and gardening. Happy gardening!